Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to tie an unconventional bridal gele. The measurement for today is 55-45 and the length of this gele is 75. You're going to make 7 to 8 pleats. And it's a V-shaped gele, so watch carefully. You place in front of the head, though slanty. Then you cross at the back. As usual, the shorter one comes on top, the longer one goes under. That is it. When you cross, ensure that the V is at the center, that's in line with the bridge of your nose. Then you start making your pleats again, to be the same with the other one. For this particular base, I made use of 8 pleats. So you can make use of 8 pleats or more or lesser depending on the size of your gele. And also, as we go further into the video, I'm going to explain some tips and tricks to do or to avoid. That is it. Now we go ahead to bring the other part. On this other part, you're going to make 4 pleats before you tie. Normally, if I'm making this on a client, the person will help me hold it or my assistant will help me hold it, but since it's a mannequin head, I had to pin it down for me to do this other side. So watch carefully. Please, whenever you're doing your pleats, ensure that it is equal and neat. And also, if you're pleating and the parts that they joined, appears forward, you're going to take an extra pleat so that part does not come in front. That part is not visible. You're going to take an extra, inch of fabric to ensure that joining is covered. When you're done picking your 4 pleats, you go ahead to tie. When tying, you don't collect everything to tie. That's not how it is done. You're going to, like as we took the 4 pleats, wherever the 4 pleats stop, you extend your hand to the edge of the fabric. Then you ruche it together, as in you bring it together and hold it before you go ahead to tie. I hope you understand, guys. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. After that, we go ahead to the other flap. After tying, we go ahead to the other flap to start making our ace/fan gele. Remember, when taking your fan, small down, big up. You do it till you get to the end. Then while you're coming to the other part, you start increasing the height as you're going. Just watch and see how I do it. Are you seeing it how Gele is coming together? When you build your height at the middle, going down, you start taking small so that the other part you'll be able to have fabric to make your fan also. Are you seeing it? After that, you begin to make your fan. Now we've come to an important thing for you to take note of. If you want your gele to be higher than this or bigger than this, whatever you took on your base, you reduce it. Like me, I took 8 and the aware left is 2. That's what I made use of to form this ace. If you want it bigger, you're going to reduce your pleats to 5 or 6 and ensure that your aware is 3 before you proceed. When you're doing your fan at this side, you pick one, you move downwards, you pick another one, you move downwards, so that it's going to come out well. When you're done, you pin it at the back. As you can see, we are going to arrange it properly later. Are you seeing it? Then you go ahead to take the other parts that you knotted and make it round. It's going to be a semi-round or a quarter round gele. Then you join together. Just watch carefully and see. Are you seeing it? We are done making the round. When you join both together, you go ahead to make finishing touches and also cover the back. You can leave it open or you cover it. I'm going to show you shortly. Guys, please, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do. I need your support. It shows that 95% of people that watch my videos are not subscribed to my channel. Please guys, people should help me by subscribing. As you can see, you can leave it like this or you cover it. We We're almost done with our gele, guys. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos. I'll see you in my next one. See how fine and beautiful our gele is. Your bride is going to love this style. Very beautiful piece. Bye guys, please do not forget to comment though.